Welcome back, guys. Today we have our Toyota Tacoma 2005 SR5 series. The crew cab. I'm trying to achieve flushing the radiator. So I'll show you how the water works here. See, this looks like dirty. Bottle installed, must have bottle like that. We will flush and the coolant ready to go. Make sure you have empty bucket. That's the driver side. The driver, just leave the cap on, so that is not a big mess. Then we have to flush. That way. Let's go to the underneath and I'll show you where is the screw. That's the driver side. So you can see here, that is the radiator screw. Just go here and unscrew this thing. As soon you are a little untied, that is good flushing the water. You see, it gets started. And it's running slowly because we did not give the air on the top. Let's go to the top. Now I will do the air. Now it's flushing faster. Proper dispose, follow the state rule regulation, how to dispense and how to waste this coolant. This video is just for the study purpose, so just keep running. I have this one when that will be completed. Tight from the bottom, add this, boom. So it's almost, I just add a fresh one and I see the fresh one is coming outside. So it's almost flush. So I'm going to tighten it and then we will start adding the new one. So just simply tight this button. As soon as you will tighten, tight with the hand, so that is not going to lose. No leaking, and we are not going to make any mess from that. It's very tight. So that is here. Here, I make the funnel on top. We have this one. Best thing is just do it sideways, so that is not getting the air. That is a pure I'm filling this and make sure to fill the water. So at least we need to add like a 25% to 30% the water, and we already did. ready to lock it. Tight, tight. This is tight, this is tight. That is the old one, you can see. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks.